we are live yet again. आज एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है जो मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ. आपको शायद याद रह जाएगा ये, and I'll try to make it very simple for you. This concept finds place in my book as well, and this concept is called hedonic adaptation. Hedonic adaptation. इसको hedonic treadmill भी कहते हैं. What is this? और मैं आज आपके साथ ये क्यों डिस्कस कर रही हूँ? Hedonic adaptation का मतलब है that we human beings have immense, immaculate, remarkable capacity to adapt to life's most difficult challenges. Most of life's challenges we are able to adapt ourselves to. Mark my words, this is one of the most hot topics being discussed today in the positive psychology and economics that we are discussing and we are living in. So, hedonic adaptation का मतलब होता है कि लाइफ के मोस्ट ऑफ द चैलेंजेस जो हम तक आते हैं, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स उस पे अडेप्ट हो जाते हैं. Let me give you a couple of examples. A lot of people know that people who win lottery and their lifestyle changes because of it, अगले साल they are equally or almost the same happy as what they were last year when they won the lottery. जो खुशी आपको immediately मिलती है, that burst of happiness after a point in time brings you back to the baseline. Let me give you another extreme example. Somebody meets with an accident and loses their limbs or gets into a paralysis phase. After a year, they will be adapted to this negative incident, and they will also come back to the baseline. If you lose somebody in your life, and that is where I find it relevant to discuss it with you. If you lose somebody in your life, that also is a loss. But because of this hedonic adaptation which human beings have inculcated in them, आप वापस baseline पर आ जाते हो कुछ टाइम के बाद. Grieving होता है, ऐसे ही happiness भी होता है. So consider it a baseline and you're going up and down. It's like a pendulum. खुश होते हैं तो बहुत ऊपर, but after a while you come back to the baseline. दुखी होते हैं तो भी you're on the lower side of the pendulum, but you come back to the baseline, right? This is what hedonic adaptation is all about. It turns out that we are more prone to taking the positive. This hedonic adaptation is mostly reliable on the positive changes in our life. यानी कि जो हमको रिसीव होती हैं चीज़ें, what we receive as positive inputs, चाहे वो आपका नया घर हो, चाहे वो nth generation मोबाइल फ़ोन आपने नया लिया हो, चाहे नई कार ऑटोमोबाइल लिया हो, चाहे आपको प्रमोशन मिला हो, आपको कॉर्नर ऑफिस मिल गया हो घर का, चाहे आपकी नई शादी हुई हो, there is lot of happiness and you're going through a burst of emotions, positive emotions. All we are trying to say here is that ये खुशी after a point in time will die out because of our expectations that keep coming in. हम वापस अपने baseline पर आ जाते हैं थोड़े टाइम के बाद. And same is with the negative emotions. But this hedonic adaptation is more likely on the positive things. क्यों? क्योंकि हम उनको granted लेने लगते हैं. क्योंकि अब हमारा expectation build हो जाता है इनसे. It is not just you, it is not just me. This is a psychological phenomena which the positive psychology scientists are studying across the world as we talk. तो moments जिनके ऊपर हम अपने आप को attach करते हैं, what is the baseline here? I'm trying to tell you. हम अपने लाइफ में ना माइलस्टोन्स अटैच करते हैं. वी अटैच माइलस्टोन्स दैट टुमारो व्हेन आई गेट अ प्रमोशन आई विल बी हैप्पी. टुमारो व्हेन माई किड clears this class, clears the examination, then I will be happy. Tomorrow when I will get married, then I will be happy. These are all momentary happinesses. They can give you happiness for a few days, weeks, months, but they are not long lasting happiness. क्या आज भी आप उस प्रमोशन से उतने ही खुश हैं जितना शायद 4 महीने पहले थे? क्या आज भी आप उस नए घर में रोज सुबह उठ के उतने ही थ्रिल्ड होते हैं जितना आप पहले दूसरे दिन थे? दैट इज हेडोनिक अडेप्टेशन. आप कारगिल की लड़ाई करने जा रहे हैं पहाड़ों पर. येस, फॉर द सोल्जर्स ऑल्सो it is very difficult, but over a period of time their body adapts and evolves to the extreme conditions. This is how beautiful the God has made us, right? So end in end, I'm ending today's video with this important positive thought that I want to leave you with, कि it is not कहते हैं ना, what is the point of making any goals? This is not the objective of the video, कि हम आपको demotivate करें. What is the, you do not have to make any goals in life. That's not the case. What we are trying to tell you here is goals रखिए, लेकिन उससे जो हैप्पीनेस आपको मिलेगी वो बहुत मोमेंटरी होगी. सो इंस्टेड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट रियल हैप्पीनेस इज. ये सारे जो एक्सटर्नल मटीरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें होती हैं ये हेडोनिक अडेप्टेशन का शिकार होती हैं. दे आर ऑल आर बाउंड टू गेट इनटू हेडोनिक अडेप्टेशन दैट वी हैव. बट इफ यू सीक हैप्पीनेस विच इज इंट्रिंसिक, हाउ मच डिड यू ग्रो over the period of years? आपने क्या contribute किया वर्ल्ड में? Those are some things which will carry on for a long moment, for a longer journey with you, जो आपको innately खुशी देगी. Whether you're indulging in your passions, which is growing you as a person, as a human, that is where your real growth lies. आप कितना contribute करते हो society को? Something which is bigger than you yourself. Something which involves others' happiness as well around you. Being a giver, growing overall, that is where real happiness lies. वहाँ पर concept नहीं आता फिर hedonic adaptation का. And if you are wanting to find real happiness, then look for those purposes, those areas, those gaps in your life where you can transcend this hedonic adaptation, which I just explained, and find your real happiness. Material चीज़ों से कभी भी हमें नहीं मिलती खुशी, वो बहुत momentary होती है. That's all that I had to tell you for today. Thank you so much. It was wonderful to be here with you. God bless. Have a great day ahead.